Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTuber, so we are going to discuss a very fantastic app which will help you to use this when you will make the video, so you can use this. So I will give this in the description and you can see this screen recorder, no ads. So I'm going to open this. It's last updated on 27 February 27 April. Okay, let's come to the okay, so you have to click on setting. Here you will see that resolution, so you have to put this resolution 1440 multiply 720. Okay, after that you have to put bitrate at mbps, and after that you have to scroll down. You have to click here show touches. Okay, then you will come down, then you will see logo image. By this app you can use the cursor. Okay, so we are going to click here. Already I have installed the cursor pic, so I will put this. Okay, so I have already installed this png pic, so you should also install this. Now if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use this size. Okay, and by this app you can record the video as well, screenshot, trim the video as well, you can do by this app. And when you will click here, so you will get this like this feature which you can use. Okay, so this is very fantastic to use. So by this app you can use the cursor mouse. If you want to put the cursor mouse, so then you can use by this. So this is very fantastic. So you can use by this. Okay guys, so do not forget to like and subscribe my How to Learn channel, and must comment me for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.